Here's how to fix your microphone not working or selecting the wrong device in the Nvidia app. The root cause in most cases is Windows having multiple microphone inputs active simultaneously. The Nvidia app picks up the wrong one and records silence or the wrong source. The fix is to disable every microphone except the one you actually want to use. Open Control Panel, set View By to large icons, and click Sound. Go to the Recording tab, select your correct microphone and click Set Default. Then right-click every other microphone listed and select Disable. This forces the Nvidia app to only see the one device you want. Click Apply, then OK, and open the Nvidia app. Open the overlay and turn off the microphone toggle, then turn off Instant Replay as well. Go to Settings, then Audio, and under Source, confirm your correct microphone is selected. Re-enable Instant Replay and set the microphone to Always On. The reason for toggling everything off and back on is to force the Nvidia app to reinitialize its audio device detection. Simply changing the setting without toggling often does not take effect. If the issue persists, go to Windows Sound Settings, scroll to the Input section and click Don't Allow on any microphone inputs you are not using. This is a system-level block that prevents the Nvidia app from even seeing alternative devices. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.